New York City Comptroller and Democratic mayoral candidate Brad Lander was arrested Tuesday at a Manhattan immigration court after attempting to physically accompany a man facing detention by U.S. immigration agents. The incident, witnessed by multiple journalists, has intensified debate around the federal government's immigration enforcement tactics under the Trump administration. Lander linked arms with the immigrant as officers moved in to detain him. Despite agents' efforts to separate the two, Lander held his ground for over 40 seconds before being forcibly pulled away and handcuffed. Video footage shows Lander calmly stating, "I'm not obstructing, I'm standing right here," while being restrained. Both Lander and the man he stood beside were taken into custody. The Department of Homeland Security later accused Lander of assaulting law enforcement and impeding a federal officer. He was released after several hours, and federal prosecutors are reviewing whether to file formal charges. Speaking outside the courthouse, Lander described his actions as a nonviolent witness, saying, "I am just fine. I lost a button," adding, "It is important to accompany people and bear witness." The arrest comes amid escalating enforcement around immigration courts, where federal agents are increasingly detaining individuals immediately after their cases are dismissed, often leaving little room for legal recourse. Lander had spent the morning observing such proceedings and voiced concern that detainees are being removed without due process. The political fallout was swift. Fellow Democratic mayoral candidates and national leaders condemned the arrest. Former Governor Andrew Cuomo called it extreme thuggery, while Governor Kathy Hochul posted a visceral response on X before visiting the federal building herself. The event echoes similar recent tensions, including the arrest of Newark Mayor Ras Baraka last month during a protest at a detention center and the forcible removal of Senator Alex Padilla from a Los Angeles press event with Homeland Security officials. With early voting already underway in the Democratic mayoral primary, the arrest adds an unexpected twist to the final stretch of campaigning. As national attention sharpens, the incident may become a flashpoint in broader conversations about immigration policy, civil disobedience, and the role of local officials in confronting federal enforcement.